SBI-PO again is moving towards like CAT only. Like last year, we had Harvard Business Review passage in SBI. Some of our students give SBI also for backup. So I keep looking at the papers also. So there was a passage from Harvard Business Review, which is also coming in CAT. So for CAT, like we had the Wall Street Journal last year. Somebody was asking me reading. So yes, Los Angeles Times, New York Times, Economist magazine, Wall Street Journal, Harvard Business Review. This is good for everything. See, you have to up your level. You have to move outside Times of India and Hindustan Times. You have to first move to Hindu level and then move one step higher.